Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to adjust screen zoom on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, adjusting screen zoom allows you to customize your device display according to your preferences. Whether you prefer larger text and icon for easier readability or smaller elements to fit more content on the screen. Screen zoom enables you to tailor your device display to suit your needs. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu. Then, select display option here. Well, and on this page, you can choose screen zoom menu. After that, to resize the screen zoom on your device, you can move this slider to the left side or to the right side according to your need. The further to the right, the larger the size, but conversely, the further to the left, the smaller the size. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to adjust screen zoom on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.